So now we will be doing an online hearing test. To do this, click the link below. Choose your gender. Choose your age. Choose speakers or headphones. How the test works. This hearing test will help you identify difficulties with understanding speech and noise. You will hear different combinations of words first and then numbers, always in groups of 3 while background noise varies. Select the 3 things you hear by selecting the corresponding icon or number shown to the left. If you get distracted and miss one of the words, you can press the replay button to have the last combination repeated. If you are using headphones, a test will be done for both right and left ears. Finally, if you are using hearing aids, we recommend that you remove them while taking the test. After reading the rules, click Start the test. When I took this online hearing test, I really enjoyed it. First, only the left earphone works to test my left ear. There are times that I don't really hear the speaker, that's why I keep on pressing the play again button. Especially when the background noise sounds like raining gets louder, beating the voice of the speaker. Same thing when the right earphone worked. At the latter part, it was getting louder at the same time harder. But based on my experience, I could say that I can hear sounds clearly in my right ear than the left one. To get the result, you just have to fill in your contact information and they will send you your results via email. Here are some simple things you can do to help stop loud noise from permanently damaging your hearing, no matter how old you are. Avoid loud noises. Take care when listening to music. Protect your hearing during loud events and activities. Take precautions at work. Get your hearing tested.